Hi guys, Ben Simmons here. I'm the drummer for the Loose Change show band in Kent. I've been playing drums for about 20 years now, so quite a long time. I play the Collision 5AR, which are an excellent stick. The Collision brand have been excellent throughout the whole endorsement process. They've been easy to contact at short notice, and everything I've asked of them, they've instantly replied with the straight answers, exactly what we need from any company. The sticks are excellent quality, they're durable, they're really nice to play with, they have an amazing feel to them. The other stick brands, they're giving them a run for their money, to be honest. Absolutely fantastic sticks. The craftsmanship's involved in them, fantastic. I've tried so many sticks over the past few years now, and by far Collision stand out like a sore thumb to any of the other stick brands there are. I couldn't recommend them to all my drummer friends enough, to be honest. And so, to finish that, the track I'm playing for you is Sex Bomb by Tom Jones, performed alongside my excellent band, Loose Change show band from Kent. So be sure to check it out on our social media. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.
Oh, a little bit of Tom Jones.
Here we go.
What you're doing to me, don't you? Oh, you in the denim. Oh, yeah, don't laugh, I can see ya. Here we go. Now don't get me wrong, ain't gonna do you no harm. This bomb's for loving, you can shoot it far. I came in tight, come and help me ignite. Little struck and I'm holding me tight.
Hold me tight.
Now make me explode, although you know the route to go to sex real slow. I must react to claims of us who said that you are not alright. Oh, sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Oh, baby, you can turn me on. Here we go. A sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. You can turn me upside down and inside out. You can make me feel the real deal. And I can give it to you every time because you're mine. Here we go. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Thank you.